Hello everyone, welcome to our series EKS Security Masterclass, and today we will discuss how to set up a GitHub Codespace. If you remember, in our previous video we have set up AWS IAM user with admin permissions and then configured or generated its access key and a secret key. I hope you have those keys with you, because today we are going to use the same keys to configure our GitHub Codespaces. So we have to go to our GitHub page for OWASP EKS Goat, and here is an option to fork this repository. Please fork this repository as we'll be regularly updating this repo. So let me click on fork, and this is the name. I will keep everything as it is. So this is like here all the files and folders are there in your own GitHub repository. Here you have to click on this code and then click on create code space on mail. Let's wait for a while. So here our terminal is ready. Let me quickly run an ls command. Okay, I have all the required folders. I have to go to this EKS folder. So let me do a cd, which is a command to change a directory. Create to EKS. Okay, here I have all the files that are required to deploy our lab. So let's go back to our documentation and see where are we. So till here we have completed. Now we have to run this pre-deploy.sh bash script. So first of all, I'm just changing a permission. chmod is a command to give read, write, and execute permission. As this is an executable file, I have to give executable permission to it. Okay, you can do a control shift V to directly paste from the documentation to the code space. Now my permissions are changed. Let me quickly validate that. Yes. And now I have to source this file. So this step is completed. Next, we have to set up our AWS credentials. So for that, you have to run an AWS configure command. It is asking for AWS access key. It is the same access key that we have created for the admin user earlier. So I will copy this and paste it here. Next, it is asking for secret key. So which is this. Let me copy this and paste it here. Now it is asking for a region name. So let me check what region name I have to put here. So if you will see in this screenshot, US West 2, I have to take. So I will just mention US West 2. Okay, so next command is to check whether we have successfully configured our credentials or not, which is with AWS STS get caller identity. So I will just run this command and I have the output. This is a username admin that I have created. So I have successfully configured this GitHub Codespace. So yeah, I think this is it in this video. We will be back again with another interesting YouTube video, which will cover the EKS Security Masterclass. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Stay tuned and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.